Close to 400 runs scored on the opening night. And what a night it was, with 100 on the opening night to entertain all of us here in Goa as well. So welcome to the post-match presentation of match number 1 between the Dubai Royals and the Delhi Warriors. A scintillating encounter, as we've said, to start off the World Legends Pro T20 League right here at the 1919 Sports Cricket Stadium in Goa. We'd firstly like to thank all of our sponsors and partners, our presenting partner, Goa Tourism, our official partners, APL Apollo, Dunamis, Pantheon Developers, Campa Energy, Viacation, Kingfisher, Radio Mirchi, and Indigo Music. Our broadcast and streaming partners, DD Sports, Sony Live, Fancode, Wave, and YouTube. We'd also like to thank the Goa Police and Goa State Fire and Emergency Services for their assistance in hosting these incredible matches here at the 1919 Sports Cricket Stadium. I'd like to introduce our first presentation party of the tournament as well. To my left, we have with us Ms. Ada Pandey, owner of the Dubai Royals, and also Mr. Sachin Kamath, CEO and co-founder of Kitara Capital. First up, the Legend of the Match Award. It is a cheque of ₹1 lakh and a trophy to come with it. Who else but Chadwick Walton to start things off? A cheque firstly from Mr. Sachin Kamath for ₹1 lakh and a trophy from Ms. Ada Pandey. Chadwick, love to have a quick chat as well. We know Goa can be entertaining, but you have given us an unbelievable sum of entertainment already on the opening night. How much did you enjoy that?
It was definitely a good batting wicket, so I really enjoyed playing here. So let's just hope I can continue this arena form for the rest of the tournament.
Your team looks like you guys are having an absolute blast as well. Even though you were trying to chase down close to 200, it never looked like it was in any sort of trouble, did it?
The skipper always tells us to just play positive and just give us 100%. So it's a relaxed changing room, and we appreciate the kind of leadership that he provides.
Helps to have a relaxed changing room in a relaxed place like Goa. How much are you loving this atmosphere? Because the crowd turned up and were loving exactly what you gave them.
Definitely, the crowd was good. I hope they can turn out for the rest of the games as well.
Go well for the rest of the tournament, Chadwick. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you very much.
Chadwick Walton, your legend of the match, but also now time to invite the winning captain from the Delhi Warriors, Harbhajan Singh, to come up and have a quick chat as well. Bhajipa, congratulations firstly. Start things off to be here in Goa and to have cricket turn up the way it has, courtesy of you guys. So many huge names from the world of cricket. How much are you loving the fact that we're here in Goa with this tournament?
Well, obviously it was the first game, and good. We had a very, very good start. Of course, cricket coming to Goa, and it's a big, big thing. And we are coming to Goa for a different reason. Yeah. You know, it's amazing, and we are playing cricket in front of a lot of people who turn up to watch this game. You know, credit must be given to them as well for coming and watching the game and supporting the game. But yeah, it was a good game to be there, and luckily we won the toss, which made life easier for us. Chadwick was brilliant, and so was Srivastav.
Yeah, they really were. Got there in such ease as well. He spoke a little bit about the dressing room environment. I know that's led by you as well. To be here in Goa, that helps, but just tell us a little bit about how you guys go about things now that you're all legends of the game. It's slightly different in terms of the mood and the preparation. How much fun are you guys having together?
Well, I think happy dressing room is a winning dressing room. It's a simple formula from my playing days, from that time to till today. I make sure people around me stay happy, stay calm. It's okay. It's part of the game. Sometimes you'll lose game from winning situation, and sometimes you'll win game from nowhere. So that can only happen if that dressing room is happy and everybody is connected with each other. So that's my formula. You know, I try wherever I get the opportunity to go play cricket. I make sure that dressing room is our place. It should be a very, very happy place, very, very united place.
Well, that's great to hear. The ball was coming out of your hand beautifully as well. I have to talk to you about that one moment. You and your old friend Shikhar Dhawan, that battle that everyone looked forward to as well. You did get him. And a little apology from you. How much did you enjoy that battle and that moment as well?
Well, it's always nice to play alongside with some of my teammates. You know, I've played cricket with, and Shikhar is one of those. He's like my brother, younger brother. You know, we have seen him growing and playing international cricket. And of course, it was a good battle. I almost got him in the previous ball, and you know, that edge saved him.
Yeah.
And the next ball wasn't there to be. To be there to get him out, but you know, that's the way cricket goes. Sometimes your good ball goes for six, and that ball was not the best of the ball, but still, you know, went on to get to the stump. So, but it was good, you know, outing, you know, playing alongside with Shikhar, against Shikhar. You know, it's always been a pleasure.
Prajupa, you did the job with the ball. Chadwick and company did the job with the bat. Congratulations. Great start here to the tournament.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much for organizing this beautiful thing. You know, a lot of people are turning up. That's what makes me more happy than winning, because Goa is known for football.
Yeah.
And of course, they love their cricket too. But, you know, it's good to see finally cricket coming here in Goa. A lot of people are turning up. So big salute to them.
Big salute to you guys for putting on a great show as well. Thanks so much for chatting with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great first night right here in the league, and that is it from the post-match presentation. Back to the comms.